Good morning, girls. Wax wanaagsan gabdho. How are you? Sidee tihiin? Morning, all good, thanks. Sidoo kale subax wanaagsan. Dhammaan waan fiicannahay. Waa mahadsan tahay. Is it your first time in Paris? Markii idinkugu horreysay oo Paris timaadeen miya? Yes, it is. Waa markii inoogu horreysay aan imaado. It's amazing. Here, meeshaan meel cajiiba waaye. We love it. Waa jeclaanay, waa ka helnay. Good. Now, you're all Scottish. Is that right? Adinka dhan Scottish ayaa tihiin sax? Sax miyaa warkaas? Yes, that's right. Sax weeye. We are all from Scotland. Dhammaanteen Scotland ayaan ka nimid. Come on, Scotland. Soo socda reer Scotland. Yes, come on, Scotland. Come on, Scotland. Soo socda reer Scotland. Shauna, you're the captain. How old are you? Shauna, kabtankiyaa tahay meeqa sanaa jirtaa? I'm 25. Emma and Fiona and Kate. Muxuu ahaa 23. Gillian is my sister. Gillian waa walaashay. Waxay dhahday aniga 26 sanaa jiraa. Emma iyo Fiona iyo Kate 23 sanaa jiraan. Gillian waa walaashay. Is Gillian 23 too? Gillian 23 sana ma jirtaa sidoo kale? No, I'm not. Gillian ayadaa jawaabtay waxay dhahday no, I'm not. Maya. I'm 25 like Shauna. Aniga 25 sana jiraa si Shauna camal. Your sisters and you both 25. Walaala ayaa tihiin. Labadiina 25 sana waa jirtaan miya? Yes, we are twins. Okay? We are twins. Mataana ayaan nahay. We are twins. Mataana ayaan nahay. But we aren't identical twins. Laakiin mataana isu eg ma nihin. Your twins, well, mataana ayaa tihiin hagaag. How interesting. Alla xiisa badana. Yes. But we are very different. Laakiin aad iyo aad aan u kala bedelanahay. Yes, you are. Waa kala bedelantihiin sax weeye. You aren't identical at all. Maba isu ekidaan. Isuma ekidiin macnaha. All right. Hagaag. Now, who is married in the team? Kooxda yaa ka guursaday. We are not married, ma aanan guursanin. But I am. Laakiin aniga ayaa guursaday. Shauna, the captain. You're married. Waa guursatay miya? You're married. Waa guursatay. What's your husband's name? Ninkaaga magaciisa. His name is Tom. Magaciisa Tom waaye. Okay, he is a bus driver. Darawal bus waaye. He isn't here today. Maanta meeshaan ma joogo. He is in Scotland. Scotland ayuu joogaa. I see. Waa fahmay. I see. Waan arkaa. Well, good luck in the final, girls. Nasiib wacan gabdho. Cayaarta finalka ah. Enjoy Paris. Paris ku raaxaysta. Thank you. aad ay u mahadsantihiin. Waayahay intaas waa 3.11. Thank you very much. Marka dhegeysi ayuu leeyahay. Markaana dhegeyso.
3.11 Scottish Rovers in Paris.
Good morning, girls. How are you?
Morning. All good, thanks.
So, is this your first time in Paris?
Yes, it is. It's amazing here. We love it.
Good. And now you're all Scottish, is that right?
Yes, that's right. We're all from Scotland. Come on, Scotland!
Yes, come on, Scotland. Shauna, you're the captain. How old are you?
I'm 25. Emma, Fiona and Kate are 23. And Gillian is my sister.
Is Gillian 23 too?
No, I'm not. I'm 25 like Shona.
So you're sisters and you're both 25?
Yes, we're twins.
But we aren't identical twins.
You're twins. Well, how interesting.
Yes, but we are very different.
Yes, you are. You aren't identical at all. All right, now, who's married in the team?
Well, we're not married. No, but I am.
Shauna, the captain, you're married. What's your husband's name?
His name's Tom, and he's a bus driver. He isn't here today. He's in Scotland.
I see. Well, good luck in the final, girls, and enjoy Paris.
Thank you.